Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I'm letting you know that I am doing a giveaway. I am participating in Connie's Just Because collab giveaway, and the start date was May 5th. For me, it starts today, and it ends on May 19th. I will be picking a winner sometime between the 20th and the 22nd, and I will be giving that winner over to Connie. My winner will win a mystery gift from me. The mystery gift will probably be a gift card to a store of your choice that I can purchase online. Just to let you know, I'm going to read you some of the rules. So, this is free to enter. YouTube's not affiliated with this giveaway or endorsed in any way. By commenting, you release YouTube from any and all liability from the giveaway. Each channel involved is solely responsible for their own giveaway prizes, obviously. All prizes are to be purchased by me, obviously. Connie is not requiring you to be subscribed to her channel, but would love it if you checked out her videos. Obviously, you're not required to be subscribed to my channel, but I would love it if you would check out my channel. Pardon for the insulin pump. Here we go. You must leave a comment to enter and a keyword. We'll let you know what that keyword is shortly. And I'm going to pick the winner based on the keyword in my comments. There will be only one comment per person. Do not copy and paste your comments on the other videos and the channels participating. Everybody will be using a unique comment. You got to be 18 years old of age to enter. The giveaway is, for me and my channel, my giveaway is open worldwide. But for others, the giveaway is open to the U.S. only. For Connie, it's going to be obviously U.S. only. All prizes, you know, when the winner contacts me, you only get their mailing address for purposes of shipping to them. Each channel will pick a semifinalist. A semifinalist has 7 days to contact that channel that they won, or they forfeit their prize, and they pick a new semifinalist. So the semifinalist I picked for Connie has to be a U.S. only. All comments have to abide by YouTube comment guidelines, community guidelines, and I'll be linking these rules in the description box below. So that you know that. But anyway, for my channel, I'm going to be giving away a gift card, just so that you know that, and that can be worldwide. But for Connie's semifinalist, it has to be a U.S. only. So I want you all to know that. So if my winner is outside of the U.S., I will have to pick a semifinalist that's in the U.S., just so everyone knows that. Anyway, let me go ahead and update you on what I've been working on. So, I have been working on the red velvet rose shawl, and here it is. I have stitch markers marking how many stitches so that I make sure I don't lose a stitch. It is pretty long, so there it is. Here, I could make it move along a little bit more simpler. So here we go. Now I have it folded in half, so a little easier to see. And it's super pretty. Absolutely love it. And this pattern is by Expression Fiber Arts. Gorgeous. It's available on their website, and it's called Red Velvet Rose. And this is the yarn I'm using. It is Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling by Lion Brand, and it's 185 yards, 3.5 ounces, and I am using the color Hot Pink. So this is the yarn I'm using, and I'm on my third skein. But it's absolutely beautiful. I really, really love this shawl. It's actually working up rather quickly. It really is. It's working up rather quickly, and it's super soft. It really is. It's super soft. The pattern called for an H hook, but I'm using an I hook. But it's really soft. It's really, the yarn's great. The yarn is fantastic, but it's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys have watched this whole video, and my keyword is rose. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, I'll be yarning. Bye now.